Going to affect our Super Bowl Sunday. Sunday looks outstanding. I mean, especially after the month we've had so far. Look at this. I mean, we started out well below average. Highs were in the 30s, and then about 3 days later, we were in the 70s in true East Texas fashion, both Sunday and Monday. 60s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So we had 6 consecutive days, knowing that I can count correctly, 6 consecutive days of above normal temperatures. Of course, you're taking the averages of several above normal and below normal high temperatures over the last 30 years, and that's how we determine if it's above or below normal. But we ended that streak today. We only got to 51, and that high temperature for Tyler Pounds Airport occurred just after midnight. But the front brought with it some clouds, even a little bit of drizzle earlier this morning. We're mostly cloudy in Longview, and that is forecasted to continue for the duration of the night. There are your temperatures. We're in the lower 40s for Sulphur Springs and Mount Pleasant. We're 2 degrees warmer in Mineola. It's 1 degree warmer in Tyler than what we're seeing in Mineola, and it's 46 in Jacksonville. Still a little windy. We do have a strong northwest wind at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. You factor that in with the regular air temperature, the air does have a little bit of a bite to it. What I mean by that is it feels a lot colder than what it actually is. So even if your car thermometer, your little nifty hand thermometer or something like that is showing you're in the 40s, it actually feels like in the 30s when you step outside. And this is much colder than what we had 24 hours ago, folks. The cold front, it was a cold front. I mean, it was not messing around. We're about 15 to 25 degrees colder than what we were at this point yesterday evening. That being said, I mentioned rain chances. It is a possibility, could even mix in with a snowflake or two in our northern counties. We're down to about 35 degrees, and then as we head into tomorrow, we're at 36 early tomorrow morning, but 40s and 50s return by noon and 5 o'clock with decreasing clouds, and we should see sunshine before all is said and done by tomorrow afternoon. It's because this area of high pressure is going to move in once the low moves out, but we will have to get through a very slim chance of rain first. So we're going to go ahead and fast forward this, and as you can see, it's our eastern counties. That's who sees the best chance of rain. So if you live, let's say, from Linden down to Jefferson, Marshall, maybe into Carthage, you're going to see the better chance of rain tomorrow. And then this will begin to shift out of our area as we head into Saturday afternoon. By Saturday evening, we will start to see that sunshine return. So the best chance of rain, that would be over our eastern counties. That's where we are seeing that green on your screen. A few showers possible. And then as we look at your Super Bowl Sunday forecast, wonder who you have. Of course, the hometown hero Patrick Mahomes out of White House, going to be competing in this game. And if you are holding an outdoor barbecue or something like that, it's going to be perfect for it. 60 at 5 o'clock. Game starts at 5:30 on our sister station, Fox 51, and then 57 and 9 o'clock. So definitely some good news there. Looking great. Not looking so great would be Wednesday of next week. Northeastern counties, a potential, at least a slight risk of severe weather as of right now. So we'll be watching this very carefully. We've got a lot of model data to really analyze before we can make a determination on Wednesday. But nonetheless, I think next week, the better chance of rain, regardless if we see severe weather on Wednesday or not, will be Monday night into Tuesday morning. Decent rain chances, 60 to 70% of us will see the rain. In deep East Texas, slim chance of rain, especially to the east of Lufkin and Nacogdoches. Tomorrow, we're at 63 Sunday and nearly perfect for Super Bowl Sunday. Neil?